Hello, I'm Dee Dee from Design Decor, and I'm excited to teach you how to paint furniture in this DIY Design Furniture Transformations workshop. I might be just like you, a self-taught furniture painting artist, and I have 8 years of experience painting furniture, and my hobby turned into a part-time income as I was selling my painted furniture pieces at a local brick and mortar store. I love to teach others how to paint furniture and save money. So therefore, I created this online furniture painting workshop so you can learn how to paint furniture in the comforts of your own home. In this furniture transformation workshop, you will learn so many tips and tricks and gain the knowledge that I have learned and the mistakes that I have made over the past 8 years. You'll gain the knowledge on how to prep, strip, stain, paint, and wax furniture. Plus there's a few bonus videos at the end on how to glaze. You learn 4 different techniques on how to paint furniture hardware, because you don't want to forget, you can paint a beautiful piece of furniture, but you don't want to forget the hardware. You're going to learn how to paint blend with 2 to 3 different paints. This will help you achieve highlights and lowlights in your painting. In this workshop, we're gonna stop the confusion about what paint types work the best on which surfaces. We're gonna take the fear out of messing up with the easy step-by-step tutorials. You're gonna save time by learning the best techniques from my experience and my mistakes. You're gonna learn the best practices on how to eliminate brush marks, and you're gonna understand about the different types of sealers. You're going to gain knowledge about bleed through and how to minimize it and how to stop bleed through. And like I mentioned, you get the bonus videos at the end that teaches you about glazing and waxing, and then you'll learn the difference between the two. I'm super excited for you to come along on this journey with me. So let's pick up your paintbrush and let me teach you how with my easy step-by-step video tutorials. I'll see you in the workshop.